All right, today I have a Toyota 4Runner and I'm going to show you how to open the hood on this particular 4Runner. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel if you find this information helpful? Thanks a lot. All right, so let's get started. So I'm sitting in the driver's side of the vehicle. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to exit the driver's side of the vehicle, but before I exit, I'm going to open it up and I'm going to look down right here. And you see this? There's a latch right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull this up. And you hear a little snap. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out and I'm going to walk to the front of the vehicle. And under here, there's a safety latch. You have to find the safety latch. You see this right here? I'm going to take my fingers and slide it in right here. And then I'm going to take it and push it to the left. And it's better for me to go like this. And then I'm going to raise the hood. And that is how I open up the hood. It stays open on this particular one right here. And that's how you open the hood on this Toyota 4Runner. Thanks a lot for watching.